Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today again I'm going to explain about code cloud free life for AWS cloud, and this is day 36. So let me show you what is the task for day 36. It is the very good task. So let me quickly just refresh it. So we will see here the day 36 task. So here you can see we have to launch the load balancing EC2 instance with application load balancer. So this is the core DevOps parts, how we can launch our applications on the EC2 server by using the load balancer and listening group. Okay, so I have already opened this lab. So this lab is asking like we have to create a one security group, which is the default, and we will enable the port 80. Then we will launch one EC2 instance, and user data will be the Nginx server, so it will be automatically installed. Then we will create a one application load balancer and target group. And once we attach this EC2 instance with application load balancer, then our Nginx server should be accessible by DNS, by using the application DNS. So how we can do let me quickly show the step-by-step process. Okay, so this is, I already logged in the labs. You can log in and just quickly create a one security group. So what is the security group name? So let me, and these are the steps. So we have to just create a security group, then launch the EC2 server. We will use this user data, then we will create a target group, then ALB. Okay, so we have only 4 steps. So let me quickly create a one SG. All right, so SG name this one, and then create. Okay, after create I will modify the ingress rule. All right, so this is created, and let me quickly add the rule. So we have enable HTTP rule. Okay, so I enable this inbound rule HTTP 80. Okay, so these are my security group. All right, so in this security group I just created, we have enable HTTP traffic. Okay, 80. Then let me quickly launch the EC2 instance. So our EC2 instance, this is terminated, I think. This is not. So let me launch one EC2. What is the name of the EC2? Datacenter-sg or datacenter EC2. I will give the name. All right, and I'm taking the Ubuntu EMI. You can take anyone if you are comfortable with Amazon Linux or Ubuntu, then take it whatever required. It's not necessary which flavor or distributions you are taking. That I'm just taking the t3.micro. Is it not required the keep here, so will provision not, and will take the uh, security group what I created recently. Okay, and click on the advanced detail. All right, so we will have to put there the user data part. Okay, so our user data part is this one, because we have to create a Nginx servers during the EC2 instance launch. Okay, so I put it here, and that's it. Okay, so launch EC2. All right, so our EC2 is now running, data center EC2. All right, so it is initializing stage. Then we will go to the quickly in the left side, go to the target group. So we will create a target group first, because when we create a application load balancers, we will have to select the target group. So what is our target group name? Here. So this is our datacenter-tg is the target group name. So let me quickly create target name, this one. Okay, we will select here instance, because in our target group we have to attach our EC2 instance whatever we created. All right, so we will select here the default VPC, not require anything else. Okay, health setting, nothing. All right, so all done. Just create a target group. They have target group with this name, this region. What is there? Any target group name is there? No. Okay, we will give their name the tg1. All right, so when we select the target group name, it will be asked which EC2 instance we have to select to listen this target group. So we have already created a data center EC2, so we will select this EC2. Okay, we will click here the included pending below, so it will be take if the our EC2 is on pending stage, and click on next, and then create a target group name. All right, so our target group is created. All right, then we'll quickly go to the ALB. All right, let me create ALB. So we have to create a application load balancer. We have a 3 type load balancer: application, network, and gateway. But in our lab we required application load balancer. So all right, so ALB, the name is ALB. Yeah, ALB. Okay, so we will create this. Let me quickly correct its name is fine. All right, okay, then it will be take a default VPC, and availability zone we can select at minimum 2, maximum we can select all 6, but I taken. And in the security group we have to select our security group what we created, datacenter-sg. All right, so good, we have selected that what which port it will be target or listen. 80 we have already enabled on that security group. Okay, here target group name, so we have already created target group. Okay, so we have selected, that's it. We don't require to application web AWS web application firewalls. All right, so nothing else. Create load balancer. All right, all right, so we have a load balancer. So it is on the provisioning stage, so it will take some times. Once our load balancer will be, balancer is not active stage right now. Yeah, now it is active. So let me quickly copy the DNS. See, you can copy the DNS name again here as well. Let me do it. Yeah, see, you can see welcome to the Nginx, because our Nginx is working on the EC2 machine, and we are able to accessing through the DNS. Okay, so that's it for this lab. You can complete it, and if you have any questions and confusions, do let me on the comment section. So final review is, we have created SG, launched the EC2 server, We use the Nginx user data, then created a target group, then ALB, and our Nginx server is accessible through the ALB DNS. Okay, so that's it for this lab.